Good afternoon. I am in Graz in Austria. I'm here for work for the next week, and today I have the afternoon off, so I'm going around. We're going to do some POV street photography. I've got the Sony A7 III paired with the Tamron 17-28mm today, and we're going to go do some street photography around the city of Graz. It's a little bit overcast, not the nicest of days in the world, but at least it's not raining. Let's go take some photos. Okay, I have absolutely no what there is to even be seen in the city. I've just seen these spires this way, so I'm assuming there's like a church site, so we're gonna walk towards that. Yeah, there's nothing particularly exciting going on, and I'll just Google where to go and check out, but that's the current plan. I have no idea what that is. Cool, this would really suit 50mm. Let's see if I can find this camera. Okay, they didn't have the camera, sadly. Very sad. Yeah, I was expecting that. Ooh, that was a very cool looking tram. Why is it not focusing? Why is it not? Oh, focus just fucking failed. Alright, I'm gonna try and get up to that. Up there, see what's up there. That's a really shit. That one, however, that was really cool, actually. That's fully zoomed in as well. I hate all the cables. I'm trying to avoid the cables. Let's put that one. Drop it to 24mm. It's better. I do have a subject. Which is this girl. Let's go to 20mm. She's now out of frame wise. Down this street actually, and then we'll just make sideways to the castle thing. There's another camera shot. Well, I was going to go left, it's right, so I might actually walk down there. Just try my luck. The reason I crank out these POV videos so much is because this is how I explore cities. I just pick up my camera and go for a walk and just wander. It's completely how I explore cities and how I find it fun to explore cities. And obviously I take photos while I'm doing that. So it's no extra effort for me to just chuck a GoPro on my chest and just record myself as I'm walking around. So like if the GoPro wasn't here, if I wasn't filming this, I would still be walking, I'd still be wandering, I'd probably still be chatting shit to myself. So it's not really much extra effort for me to just film it and make a video, a piece of content that hopefully brings you guys enjoyment. I mean, I love watching POV street photography videos, so I hope this is entertaining for those that do as well. Okay, the second shop had it, but they only had it in silver and I want it in black. Ah, no, I don't know if to just... I mean, like, the silver's nice. I really wanted it in all black. This might give away what camera it is as well. Have a comment, try and have a guess which camera I'm going for. Oh god, I'm fucking tired as well. What I don't like about that frame is the bin in the foreground. How I'm not getting close to the sunset, because that would be creeping weird. I don't know why my focus keeps going. I wonder if it's my camera is for a reason cold. I do wonder if that might be affecting it. Let's get the front one. Yeah, boy. Front row seats. Yeah, I was too lazy to walk down. I was gonna. There's like a cave that goes through the fucking hill. I was gonna walk down, but I was being too lazy. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to walk through it. I need to get over there anyway. So we're going to cross over the road through this. It looks cool though. Any of those panning shots coming out? Weird. Okay. Weird. This is the road I came on earlier. So it's dark now. Here's some different frames. Yeah, cropper. Just think you're lazy looking over there, obviously. If you haven't listened to Ren, you can go check out the sick boy. His latest single? Fucking bad.